Okay, so I have been working on our review controller. And I got thinking, oh, for a new review, I could just go to Products, Index, and use their add function and everything, add case, which I did, and I switched it over to the new review. And so I figured I could use their modify, their update prod to edit for the the review. But one thing I'm a little confused about, they have mod here, and then they have that, and then when I tried it for their delete, they have a little delete function, delete case, and a delete product case. So I was wondering, do you think I need to put both of those, the mod and the del, also before except column ed and del? Because I'm just not quite sure. If you have any ideas, please let me know.